Hi everyone, welcome to Educator. So today we are starting a new computer awareness free course for 2026 RRB POA and Clerk. So in this course we will study theory with MCQs, and today we will see 40 important MCQs from MS Word and Excel. Okay, so let's start. The first question you can see on the screen is, see which of the following operations done using shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than sign in MS Word 365. So it is used to increase the font size. Here answer is option number 4. See, question number 2, which formatting feature in MS Word 365 is used to emphasize text by making it bold, italic or underline? So it can be done for font styling. Okay, here answer is option number 4. Dash shortcut key is used in MS Excel 2010 for renaming the table. See, for renaming the table we use Ctrl plus R. Option number 2, Ctrl plus R. What is the default print range in Microsoft Excel 365 when printing an entire worksheet? So it means when we are printing the full worksheet, means we are printing the current active sheet. So here answer is option number 4, the active sheet. Okay. In MS Word 2010, the page number option comes under which menu? See, as we have seen in the previous videos also, page number comes under the header and footer section part. Header and footer section part. Which option allows us to adjust the line spacing between lines of text in a paragraph in MS Word 365? So it can be done by line spacing tab only. Okay. Which of the following keyboard shortcut key in MS Word 2010 is used to move to the previous cell in a row of a table? So it can be done by pressing Shift plus tab. By pressing Shift plus tab, we can move to the previous cell. Okay. Which of the following is the correct option to convert text into superscript? See, for converting text into superscript, we can simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus plus. Okay. Ctrl plus Shift plus plus. Which of the following is to create a new blank document? So new blank document can be created in MS Word only. Okay. Here answer is option number 1. In MS Excel 2007, which option is to opening a new or existing spreadsheet? So it can be opened under Office button. Okay, Office button. What are the icons below the menu bar in a word processing application called? So these type of icons are called toolbar icons. Okay, toolbar icons. What icon is used for attaching a file or document to an email message? So this type of file, when you attach to an email, okay, so this type of file you call paperclip icon. Okay. In MS Excel 365, which of the following is not a type of chart? See, pie chart is there, line chart is there, bar chart is there, but space chart does not exist. So here answer is option number 4, space chart. In Microsoft Excel 365, which tool should you use for creating or editing formulas in a worksheet? See, for creating or editing formulas, we can simply use the formula tab. Okay, or the here answer is formula bar. Okay. In which of the following tab in MS Word 365 is bullet and numbering present? See, they are present in home tab. Okay. Here answer is option number 3, home tab. Which the following shortcut key is used to insert a hyperlink in MS Word 365? So very easy question. For hyperlink we use Ctrl plus K. Ctrl plus K. Which of the following shortcut is used to open the help tab in the menu bar in MS Word 365? So it is used, F1 is used. Okay, F1. Which of the following is the shortcut key for save as option in MS Word 365? See, for save as option in MS Word 365 you use F12. Okay, F12. For help we use F1, and for save we use F12. Which of the following shortcut key used to copy formatting in MS Word 365? See, for copying and formatting we use Ctrl plus Shift plus C. Which of the shortcut command is in MS Word 365 for selecting all text in the file? Say, for selecting all text we use Ctrl plus A. Ctrl plus A. Which of the following is the common element in MS Word 365 document header and footer? So here the common is page number. Okay, page number. Which of the following is to run spell check in MS Word 2010? See, for spell check we use the F7. Okay, F7 key. In MS Excel 2010, which shortcut key is used to bold the selected text? See, for bolding the text we use Ctrl plus B, and for italic you use Ctrl plus I. Okay, and for underline you use Ctrl plus U. Which of the following shortcut keys to modify selected italics? See, this I have told you. See, is Ctrl plus I. Okay. Which file format is used for saving MS PowerPoint templates? See, we use .potx. First one, option number 1, .potx. In MS Excel 2010, dash used for hiding columns within the sheet. See, for hiding the columns, we simply press Ctrl plus 0. Ctrl plus 0. Here answer is option number 3. Okay. Which keyboard shortcut opens the Windows 11 OS settings menu to change system setting? See, for this we have to press Windows key plus I. Windows key plus I. Which version of Windows introduced start menu? See, I think it's introduced in Windows 95. Yes, Windows 95. Okay. Hide option is present in which tab in MS Excel 2010 ribbon bar? So it is present in View tab. Here answer is option number 1, in View tab. In MS Word 365, what is the shortcut key to remove manual character formatting form selected text? So here it is Ctrl plus space bar, option number 4. See, which of the following keyboard shortcut is used to insert a new slide in PowerPoint 2019? Very easy question. For inserting new slide in PowerPoint, use Ctrl plus N, okay? Ctrl plus M, okay? Ctrl plus M. What is the keyboard shortcut key to remove paragraph indentation in MS Word 365? It is Ctrl plus Shift plus M. Ctrl plus Shift plus M. Which of the following options in PowerPoint allows you to see all the slide at once as a thumbnail? So it can be done by only slide sorter view. Slide sorter view. Option number 2 here. So which shortcut key is used to justify text in MS Word 365? So for justifying we use Ctrl plus J, okay, and Ctrl plus R and Ctrl plus K for hyperlink, okay. See, pivot table is a feature of which of the following software? See, pivot table comes under Microsoft Excel part, okay, Microsoft Excel. Question 36. See, what is the maximum number of characters that can be typed in a cell of MS Excel 2010 worksheet? So the maximum type of character is 32767. 32767. Who am the following invented the computer language COBOL? See, COBOL is invented by Grace Murray Hopper. Here answer is option number 2, Grace Murray Hopper. Text editor and text formatter belongs to which category of computing? See, both of these comes under word processor, okay? Here answer is option number 3, word processor. See, question number 39. See, who am the following invented the World Wide Web, WWW, in 1989? So very easy question. See, it is Tim Berners-Lee. Option number 3 here, Tim Berners-Lee. And the last question for today class, see, dash shortcut key is used in MS Excel 2010 to go to the view tab. So to go to the view tab we use Alt plus W. Alt plus W, okay? So thanks for watching. Thank you.